Hello dear Jozo community. Today we're going to talk about dogs inside your house. And here's the question everybody should ask himself. Does your dog like to be inside your house, or do you like your dog to be inside? Especially shepherd dogs love to be outside. Sometimes our dogs get in on their own, especially when we're all inside because they want to see what's going on and because they're curious. After they check the situation inside and saw that nothing new is going on, they leave after a couple of minutes because they rather like to be outside. Especially in winter time, they like to be outside. Maybe it's comfortable and warm for us inside, but for them it's too warm and they just want to be outside in the snow. In some cases, it's the owner's decision that the dog is inside, but you should give your dog the opportunity to decide if he wants to be outside or inside. Depending on the breed, if you urge your dog to be inside, he could get nervous and change his behavior. And then specific problems could occur. A very important thing I want to talk about is that many people have a wrong picture of this breed. Unfortunately, in specific countries, these breeds are being kept and treated in a different way. For example, being chained up for their entire life or being locked up in a tiny cage. And that leads them to be very aggressive even towards their owners. This breed is naturally aggressive towards strangers because they want to protect their territory and what's theirs. So they show aggressive behavior towards strangers because they're protective and jealous because they want their family for themselves. Their aggressive behavior doesn't depend on the breed, but the way you keep and educate your dog has a big influence on how your dog behaves. And as you can see, one of the most dangerous breeds can also be one of the best family dogs. As you may have seen from other clips, Zafir is not aggressive but brutally aggressive and looks like a Godzilla. But as you can see, there's also a little family dog. He's just like a baby. If you're new to this channel and haven't seen other videos from Zafir, feel free to watch other clips from Zafir where he acts differently than now. We would be glad if you could tell us in the comments on which other topics we should make videos about next time. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.
See you next time. Bye!